Hey everyone, today we're tackling a question that keeps popping up in IT departments. Should your business self-host its password manager or stick with a commercial service? With data breaches making headlines and subscription costs adding up, it's a decision worth thinking through carefully. So let's break down the pros and cons of both approaches. We'll take a special look at Vaultwarden and Passbolt, which are available as built-in images on the Kamatera console. First up, let's talk about commercial password manager services like LastPass, 1Password, or Bitwarden. The biggest advantage here is simplicity. You sign up, your team starts using it, and you're protected. No servers to maintain and no updates to manage. For small to medium businesses with no dedicated IT staff, this convenience is huge. These services also come with enterprise features right out of the box. Single sign-on integration, detailed audit logs, compliance certificates, and guaranteed uptime with their SLAs. Plus, professional security teams constantly monitor and update the security infrastructure. But there are trade-offs. First, there's cost. Per user pricing can really add up, especially as your team grows. A 50-person company could be looking at several $1,000s annually. Then there's trust. You're essentially handing your organization's keys to a third party. While most providers use end-to-end encryption where even they can't access your passwords, high-profile breaches have happened, which makes some companies uneasy with this model. And finally, control. You're dependent on their infrastructure, their uptime, and their features. If they raise prices or change terms, you're somewhat at their mercy. Now let's talk about self-hosting, hosting the password manager software yourself, whether on your own servers or through a cloud provider like Kamatera. This is where tools like Vaultwarden and Passbolt come in. Vaultwarden is an unofficial, lightweight implementation of the Bitwarden server API. It's incredibly resource efficient, making it perfect for smaller cloud instances. Passbolt takes a different approach. Built specifically for team collaboration, it's open source and offers a web-based interface that excels at sharing passwords and managing group access. The benefits of self-hosting are compelling. Your data never leaves your infrastructure. You can customize everything to fit your exact security requirements and integrate it with your systems. And after the initial setup, your ongoing costs are just server resources, which can be significantly cheaper than per user licensing, especially at scale. For companies with strict data sovereignty requirements or those operating in regulated industries, self-hosting might be the best option. You control where the data lives, how it's backed up, and who has access. But self-hosting isn't for everyone. You need technical expertise to set it up securely and maintain it properly. This means server hardening, updates, and backups are all on you and your team. So which should you choose? If you have a small team, limited IT resources, or need to get started quickly, a commercial service probably makes sense. But if you have the technical chops, want maximum control, or are operating a larger organization where costs really matter, self-hosting could be your best bet. Kamatera's cloud infrastructure is perfect for these kinds of deployments. You get incredible, fast NVMe SSD storage, scalable resources that can grow with your team, so you can host your password manager wherever your compliance requirements dictate. Check the link in the description to learn more, and don't forget to subscribe.